The Sun is the star of the center of the solar system. It is nearly perfect shape of the hot plasma heated to indications by nuclear fusion reaction in its core, radiating the energy mainly as visible light and infrared radiation. It is by far the most important source of energy for life on Earth. Its diameter is about 1.39 million kilometers or 109 times that of Earth. Its mass is about 330,000 times that of Earth. It accounts for about 99.86% of the total mass of the solar system. Regularly, three quarters of Sun's mass consist of hydrogen. The rest is mostly helium with much smaller quantity of heavier elements including oxygen, carbon, neon and iron. The Sun is a G-type main sequence star based on its class. As such, it is informally and not completely referred to as a yellow dwarf. Its light is closer to white than yellow. It formed opportunity 4.6 billion years ago for the gravity of matter within a region of a large molecule cloud. Most of the matter in the center weighs the rest into a orbiting disk that becomes the solar system. The center mass became so hot and that is eventually nuclear fusion in its core. It is true that almost all stars formed by this process. The Sun core fusion about 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium every second, 4 million tons of matter into energy every second. As a result, this energy, which can take between 10,000 and 1,70,000 years to escape the core. In the source of sun's light and heat, when hydrogen fusion in its core, his dimension to point at which the sun is longer in equilibrium. Its core will undergo a mass increase in density and temperature while its outer layer expands, eventually transforming the sun into a red giant. It is calculated that the sun, its outer layer expand, will become large to the current orbit of Mercury and Venus and Earth, but not for about 5 million years after this. It will its outer layer and become a type of cooler star known as white dwarf and no longer produce energy by fusion but still glow and give off heat from its fusion. The effect of the sun on earth has been recognized since time. The sun, which threw off by some as a dentry. This rotation of Earth its orbit around the calendar in use today. From the core out, to about 0.7 solar radii. Thermal reaction is the primary means of energy transfer. The temperature drops from 7 million to 2 million kelvins with increasing distance from the core. The temperature granted is less than the value of the rate and cannot drive conversation, which explain why the transfer of energy through the zone is by radiation indeed of thermal